When Jesus had come in sight of the city, he wept over it and said, "If only today you know the ways of peace, but now they are hidden from your eyes. Yet days will come upon you when your enemies will surround you with barricades and shut you and press on you from every side, and they will dash you to the ground and your children with you, and not leave stone upon stone within you. For you did not recognize the time and the visitation of your God." Are you really certain and sure that Jesus won't be crying looking at you, looking at your life? Are you sure, my dear friends? We often make him cry looking at us. Why? Why? Because it's not because we are a failure. No, more than that. The promising signs and the promises are hidden from us. He has done so much. If you read the first reading, Revelations, that we find how Jesus as a lamb was killed and rose from the dead to give us life eternal. And he has done so much, and if we are wasting his blood, if we are wasting his precious body, if we are wasting his tears, his sighs, if we are wasting his pain, if we are not repented, if we don't have a change of heart, we will make him cry, my dear friends. And on top of it, things are hidden from us. The destruction is close by. You don't know what is beyond this wall. Only he knows what's there. How the Satan is waiting to devour us, attack us, if we move on like this. So it's high time to stop and think. It's high time to examine yourself. It's high time to analyze and re-evaluate your behavior. Are you doing the will of the Father? Are you trotting the way that Jesus has showed you? Are you really clear that you are okay with everything happening in your life? Are you happy that you can show yourself to him? Transparent, completely transparent. But are you sure that you can open all the chambers of your house, every hidden area of your life? Are you really sure? So it's high time to stop and think whether I am making him cry again and again. So his love has done many things for us. If you don't respond properly, please, my dear friends, it's a time the Lord is looking at you with eyes full of tears, inviting you, beckoning you to come back. Come back as the prodigal son came to the Father. Because if we don't repent, the Gehenna, the fire that we are in, is terrible. The destruction about to come is terrible. So it's high time that you experience a change of heart, a metanoia, U-turn, and go to the Lord, because he is waiting until you come. Think about it and have a nice day. May God bless you, my dear friends.